Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Play Store if you're using an Android device. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type MetaTrader 5 inches and hit search. Look for the app with the MetaTrader 5 logo and tap on it. Then, tap on the Install button to download and install MetaTrader 5 onto your device. The installation process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, find the MetaTrader 5 app on your home screen or in your app drawer and launch it. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a welcome screen. Tap on Accept to begin setting up your account. You will then be prompted to create a new account. Simply tap on Open a Demo Account to create a new demo account. After a few moments, your demo account will be created, and you will be taken to the main trading screen of the MetaTrader 5 app. Here, you can start exploring the features of the app and begin trading with your virtual funds to practice and learn how MetaTrader 5 works. So that's basically how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.